Hello, good morning everyone. This is Hassan Abdel Salam from GetInform, your instructor for 3ds Max 2018 Essential course. Today we will talk about Loft compound object. Simply we can find Loft from compound objects from create geometry. Instead of standard primitives, we will go to compound objects. We will find here the Loft compound object. Sure, it's not activated, so we have to draw our objects. So Loft, unlike ProBoolean, it works with shapes, not geometries. So we will draw our shapes. Simply, it works like I will draw a path and sections, different sections, and I will tell Loft when to pick a certain section. This is a brief, and let's start. We will start by creating line, shift, in order to get the line straight with the y-axis, and after that I will go to draw a star, maybe like this, maybe 8 sides, and go to top, G, so deactivate grid on grid, and I will convert this shape to editable SP line, and select vertex subobject and select all vertices. I will go to chamfer, and carefully I will click and drag. I guess this is close. This is not bad. After this, I will draw a circle, maybe like this. Okay. And I will draw another circle, maybe like this, and another circle, and rectangle to be like this. Okay, I'll try to order these shapes according to use. And I will go select the line, my path, and go to compound objects. I'll find Loft is activated now. So Loft enables you to select first your path, and after that select your sections, or you select one section and after that select path. But I prefer to stick with the selecting path at first. After that we will select sections, because we have different sections that will apply to the same path. So we will go to Loft, get shape or get path. We have already our path. So I will get shape and click select our shape. First our circle. I will go to perspective again and make this clay. Okay. Path parameters, this one calculates from 0 to 100 as 0% or 100%, and another meaning from the start to the end. So this is a percentage. Okay, I will tell 3ds Max or Loft after 5% get another shape, and I will get the same shape. Okay, I will maintain the same shape by selecting the section one time at the beginning and the other time at the end. Okay, at maybe 7 I will select get shape, this one. Okay, I will press get shape first in order to be activated. Okay, I'll go to Loft, get shape. Maybe I will go to 38 and select the same shape, and after that 40, I'll select this one and maybe 42, 43, this one, and I'll select this one again. 45, for example. This is not fixed numbers, you don't have to memorize them. Okay, after this maybe 47, I will pick the same cross section here, maybe 50, and I will pick 50, I will pick this one, 52, I'll pick this one again, and 54, maybe I'll pick this one. Okay, at 90%, I will pick this one again, and finally at 100%, I will select my rectangle. So we have this shape. I have some small edits to my geometry. So I will go to deformation and scale. This graph is so simple. Here, from the vertical numbers describes the scale. So we are now 100% of our scale along this path, and the horizontal numbers describes the beginning and the start of the path. So I began from here. You remember this is 0% and 5, and after that we go on. So this one, if I change this scale, so the scale will change here. I can return this by clicking here. It was 100%. Okay, I can zoom in. I want to add another point, but we have two types of points, corner or Bezier. Bezier gives me smoothness. I will select Bezier point and add it anywhere. Okay, after this I will adjust its location. I want it to be at 5, and I want to check this point. This point is corner. Right click to the point, this is corner. I want it to be Bezier corner, and if I'm afraid of moving point or vertex in all directions at once, so I will pick only move vertically, and I will move it, for example, to be like this, maybe 10%, and let's adjust our curvature. Sorry. Okay, this one will go back to move. Maybe this one I will make it like this. Okay, now I'm satisfied with this one. I want here is 90% maybe. Let's check from the sub-object shape. I will check this one. This is at 90%. So I want to make this rectangle from here wider, a little bit wider. So let's go again to the scale. Okay. I will add vertex at 90%, 90%, and I will add at maybe 92, and let's increase this one. Okay. Maybe we want to get this shape another time here, maybe. So get shape 94. I'll get this shape. So this is better now. And I can go here from shapes. Maybe pull this back a little. Maybe it's okay. This one and this one. Maybe I scale this one. Okay. And we have our shape, our geometry. Okay, that's it for our screwdriver.